Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change Facebook page roles access. So first you just have to open your page, you have to tap your profile and then switch to your page right here if you have a couple of pages. So you have to select the page that you wanted to adjust the setting. So now I'm switching to my Facebook page. Let me tap my profile again, go to settings and privacy, tap settings, wait for a couple of seconds, and then here what you're going to do next is you have to go to page setup. Tap this one. And then under page setup, you have to scroll down and click this page access right here. And as you can see here, you can manage and view access, people with Facebook access. If you want to add an admin, you just have to click this add new and then tap next. Now you have to make sure that that person is your friend or your other account, or you trust this person so much that you want to add him or her to your Facebook page and give him or her a role on your Facebook page, for example, an admin. Okay, so you have to look for that person's Facebook account, and then as you can see here, these are the following information. If you allow this person to have full control, you just have to toggle this one on. And then after that, click give access, enter your password to make sure that you're the one who's using your account, or make some adjustment with your Facebook page, tap confirm, and then you just have to wait for that person to accept your invitation. As you can see, I have added an admin here. If you want to add people again with a specific task, you just have to click at this area right here and then add or add new. And then same thing, you have to look for that person's Facebook, add him, her, wait for them to accept your invitation, and that's it. And that's how you basically change a Facebook page roles access. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.